Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are watching my video for the first time, you are welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook beans and ripe plantain porridge. This delicacy is so sweet, yummy, delicious and so tasty. Just watch this video to the end. After watching it today, no one will ever teach you how to cook these beans and ripe plantain porridge. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to be instantly notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, now let's go into the cooking action. To make this pot of yummy beans and ripe plantain porridge, you'll be needing these ingredients. Number one, there is the beans, ripe plantain, red palm oil, seasoning cubes, onions, grounded pepper, crayfish powder, salt, and pumpkin leaves for some freshness. The full ingredient list will be listed in the description box down below, so be sure to check it out there, okay? Okay, now let's go into the cooking action. First thing you're going to do is to bring some water to a boil, wash and add your beans. Cover the pot and parboil for like 5 to 7 minutes. Once in 7 minutes, place a sieve in a bowl and pour the parboiled beans and water together to help you separate the beans from the excess water. Rinse the pot immediately. Add the parboiled beans back to the pot and add some water. If you desire a watery porridge, you can add much water, but if you desire a sticky porridge, some people doesn't like when they are eating porridge, there will be excess water in it, so you have to add little quantity of water. After that, you place the pot back on the heat and cook for another 8 to 10 minutes. So while they are cooking, proceed to peeling off the back of the ripe plantain and slice them to your desired sizes and shapes. 10 minutes later, open the pot, add the sliced ripe plantain. If you are enjoying this video, please click the like button, and if you have any question pertaining this recipe, please drop it in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Okay, let's continue with our cooking. After adding it, you can now add the ingredients: the red palm oil, followed by the chopped onions, some seasoning cubes, grounded pepper, crayfish powder, and some salt to taste. Cover the pot and cook till the beans and plantain are tender. The next thing you are going to do is to soak and wash your pumpkin leaves with enough water and salt. You know, these leaves contains sand and dirt, so you have to soak them for some minutes before you can wash them. After washing them, you arrange them, place them on a chopping board, and make sure they are nicely chopped to your desired sizes. If you find out that the porridge is too watery, or you can as well add more water if it is too thick, give it a good stir and add the shredded pumpkin leaves. Give it one final stir and take off the heat immediately. Your yummy beans and ripe plantain porridge is ready. Guys, it is ready. You can see the method is just simple. The steps are just few. All you need is to follow these steps and make your own pot of yummy beans and ripe plantain porridge. Now you've learned how to cook this yummy beans and ripe plantain porridge. I hope you can do it by yourself. You don't need anyone to teach you or tell you what to do. This recipe is so yummy, guys. It is so yummy. I prepared my own with few ingredients, and I believe you can do so. Don't waste your time. Say I don't have money to prepare beans and ripe plantain. Just get the few ingredients available and make your own pot of yummy beans and ripe plantain porridge. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell beside it to be instantly notified whenever I upload a new video, and also hit the like button. Share among your family and friends so that they too can learn how to prepare this beans and ripe plantain porridge. Make sure you check out my other videos on how to cook different kinds of Nigerian recipe. Okay, see you. Bye bye.